In Chinese, we call this Tang Hong Lao Bak Tong, and it's one of the most nutritious and tasty soup recipes. So simple, so easy, yet so delicious. One of the most important steps is to clean the pork chops properly. I toss it in boiling water and then I rinse it twice to make sure it's nice and clean and no debris is left behind. Ensure that you add enough water to fully submerge the pork. You're going to be simmering this for about 20 minutes to produce a nice pork broth. The carrot and the green radish are both highly nutritious and packed with health benefits. I'm using a large carrot and a large green radish today, so if you have a smaller one, I recommend using 2 of each. Once the carrot and green radish have softened to your liking, add a little bit of salt and then enjoy this delicious soup along with the carrot and green radish. Thanks for watching and remember to hit the like button.